Aloha po'ono. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Saturday morning. We are going to have the next hour and a half together, so I hope you guys are all ready to go. We also have Kawahine Ilikea. Can you give him a shaka? My youngest, my muli loa, that's joining us as my assistant today. And we will be recording this session, and everybody that registered is going to get a recording link in your inbox in a day or two. So yeah, you don't have to worry about that. You will have access to that for a good amount of time. So you can go and do the workshop with some of your friends, your keiki, your mo'opuna, whoever you want to share it with. But aloha mai kako o mailena ehu. I am coming to you from the east end of Moloka'i this morning from our home, our hale, and it's the center of Kahale Hoaka. It's where we create all of our resources, our videos. Again, I like to share this story. I think it's really cool. We live totally off grid, so we live off the water from the stream. We have an intake. We have solar energy, and we live a very simple life. And we get to see lots of anuenue or rainbows where we live because we live on the east end. So Moloka'i, if you're familiar with Moloka'i, we have on the east end of all the islands, really, you have the mountains or the ko'olau side of every island where the trade winds in Hawaii come from northeast. So you always have clouds getting trapped on these ko'olau mountains on the eastern side of every island. And it's the same weather patterns that we see, the common weather patterns that we see here in Hawaii. So that wind from the northeast is called ko'olau, and kea means light colored. Oh, and with that note, if you want something to imply that something's a darker color, a darker shade, you put uli at the end of it, as in uli, right? So uli means blue, but it also means darker colored, uli. So those are like the little suffixes that you put at the end of words to describe the coloring, whether it's dark or light. So kea and uli. Kea comes from that ke'o. So our next vai ho'olu'u is ahina hina. Ho'opili mai ahina hina. Oh, I hear Hina's name in there. Yeah, so ahina hina means gray or silver, and it's named after that beautiful color of the mahina, the moon. And it's named after Hina I Kamalama, the akua of the moon. So how cool is that, right? The next one is, and actually we have a pua, flower, that you find a lot more on the west side of Molokai and other islands called the hina hina. It's this gray, like succulent. It's so beautiful, especially to make lei. The next color is o ma'o. Ho'opili mai o ma'o. Mai ka'i. So o ma'o is green. Look at how beautiful that is. That makes me so happy. I love it. Where are you guys from? Oh, I love how you
mahalo no ke yahui ana.
Hiki ke ho'ike mai?
Yeah, hiki a'u ke ho'ike. Aka a ole pau.
Mai ka'i. Hi. Oh, you painted it. You painted your anuenue and your mahina. I love it. And you made anuenue all over the page. Look at that. That's ula ula mele poni polu ele akala alani ke o ahina hina o maku e. Good job, everybody. So again, send me pictures if you want. I will share it. Other than that, I hope you have a beautiful pua'ono the rest of your weekend, the rest of your Saturday, and I hope you see tons of anuenue.